How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am the Mighty Quinn. So here I am trying Burger King's new Ghost Pepper Whopper. The last thing I had with ghost pepper in it was some noodles, which I really struggled to get through. And it seems to get hotter the more I ate it. If you want to see that video, the link will be in the description. So let me open this baby here, see what's inside of it. Oh, look at that. See that green stuff? That's, I think that's fried chili. And it had some bacon in there. See, fried chilies, the bacon. This cheese is supposed to be ghost pepper cheese. Never heard of that. I know of pepper jack, which is my favorite, and jalapeno cheddar, but ghost pepper cheese. Interesting. And that's clearly cheddar. No pickles on here, which is disappointing because I like pickles on my burger. But I do like the bacon. Oh, stuff's falling out. There we go. So, oh, also, this bun is supposed to come with the black seeded bun for the ghost pepper burger. They didn't have it, so I had to settle for the regular Burger King Whopper bun, which I don't mind. A bun's a bun. Let me take a bite. It's got some kick to it. I don't know if it's from the cheese or these little fried jalapeno pieces, but it's got some spice. It's not bad. I actually really like it. Let me get these fries out. What am I doing? Of course, I gotta sauce those up. If you've seen my older, lower quality videos, then you know that I love to put barbecue sauce on my fries. It's better than ketchup. Don't debate me on that. That's a good amount, till I need more. One more. So much better than ketchup. All right. The first bite, I like it. It tastes like your regular Whopper with some spice. But I like Whoppers, so I don't mind. I really like those fried jalapeno pieces. I wonder, do they sell these in stores? I might want to put those on some sandwiches. I think the heat is starting to pick up just a little bit. The dial's turning up just a notch. Still don't need anything to drink though. I will say it's a little dry. It's a little dry, but it's tolerable. Need more barbecue sauce. You know, I know this is limited time only, but I'll buy this again. Just make it fresher. Make it fresh. I don't know. I don't know if this is fresh. It's still good though, but I really like that cheese. Last 2 bites. I think the heat has fully kicked in now. It's tolerable, but I'm starting to sweat a little. But that was pretty good, you know. Overall, I was happy with it. It was a little dry, but, you know, I think the flavor overpowered that. It wasn't overly dry, but, you know, I enjoyed that a lot. I will buy it again. Rating out of a 5, I'll probably give that a 3. You know, it's okay. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.